In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emojis on Mailchimp in just 5 minutes. Adding emojis can really make your email campaign stand out and connect more with your audience, bringing a bit of fun and expressiveness to your messages. To get started, you'll want to create a new campaign. Once you're logged into Mailchimp, navigate to the Campaigns tab. Here, you'll see an option for all campaigns. Click on that tab and then hit Create. From the list of options that appear, select Email. This will guide you through setting up an email campaign, which is where the magic happens. Now it's time to design your email. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates to choose from. You can opt for a basic template if you prefer starting from scratch, or you might pick a pre-designed template that fits the theme of your campaign. Whatever you choose, these templates are designed to be flexible and customizable to suit your specific needs. Once you've selected a template, it's time to get creative and customize the content. Mailchimp's drag and drop editor is your best friend here. You can easily add text, images, buttons, and even social media links. Alongside these elements, you can customize the colors, fonts, and other design aspects to ensure everything aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Personalization is key to engaging your audience, so consider using merge tags such as first name to make your email feel even more personal and targeted. Now onto the fun part, using emojis. To insert an emoji into your email, start by clicking on the URL address bar. If you're using Windows, you'll want to press the Win key and the period key together, which will open up the emoji picker. Take a moment to scroll through and find the perfect emoji that fits the tone and message of your email. Once you've found the right one, click on it. The next step is to copy the emoji. On Windows, you can do this by pressing Ctrl and C. This will copy the emoji to your clipboard and you're ready to insert it into your email. Head back to your email template and paste it in wherever you'd like within a text block. The placement of the emoji can really add personality to your message, whether it's in a subject line to catch attention or within the body to complement your text. And there you have it, you've successfully added an emoji to your Mailchimp email. Using emojis wisely can really make your emails more engaging and relatable. So, experiment with different ones, keep it relevant to your message, and see how it impacts your audience engagement. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.